TIA Bank Online Bank Review. Watch before using. Most people get online banking wrong. They assume it's just about convenience. The surprising truth about TIA Bank is that it combines competitive rates, robust security, and specialized retirement-focused products, making it more than just an ordinary online bank. You won't believe how much value they offer for both savings and investment-minded customers. Here's how it works. TIA Bank provides checking accounts, high-yield savings accounts, CD, and IRAs. Their platform is fully digital, offering easy account management, mobile deposits, bill pay, and real-time transaction alerts. TIA also integrates retirement planning tools and offers competitive APYs, often above the national average. For example, a user can open a high-yield savings account with no monthly fees and earn interest above 4%, while managing multiple accounts through a single online dashboard. Most people get this wrong. They assume high rates come with strict conditions, but TIA accounts are accessible and transparent. Additional benefits include FDIC insurance up to $500,000, 24/7 customer service, and digital tools for budgeting and retirement planning. Users praise the platform for ease of use, reliable security, and responsive support. However, there are considerations. TIA Bank doesn't have a large branch network, so in-person banking is limited. Most people assume online-only banks are risky, but TIA is well established with strong financial backing and advanced security protocols. In conclusion, TIA Bank is ideal for savers and investors seeking competitive rates, solid digital banking, and retirement-focused tools. If you prioritize online access, low fees, and high-yield options, this bank deserves a closer look. Subscribe for more honest reviews of online banks and financial platforms.